Good day, everybody. My name is Tabi Mad. Welcome to my online English class.
Today's lesson is about levels of language. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today's lesson is about levels of language. So let's recap so that we can remember what we already studied so that we don't get confused. We said we have 3 types of levels of language. So here are the characteristics of levels of language. Language may be formal, informal, or emotive depending on its purpose and the relationship between its user and the recipient. So we already know that levels of language there are 3 types of levels of language. We have formal, informal, and emotive, and we use each and any one depending on the reason we are talking to a person and the relationship we have with the person. So we already learned that we have 3 types of levels of language. We have number 1, which is formal language. We have number 2, which is informal language. And we have number 3, which is emotive language. So we already learned about number 1, which is formal language. And then we already learned about number 2, which is informal language. And we said we have 3 types of informal language. We have letter A, which is colloquialism. We have letter B, which is slang. We have letter C, which is jargon. Then we have letter D, which is politically correct language. So this language doesn't fall under formal or informal language. It can be used in formal or informal speaking or writing. So we are moving on to emotive language. So we have number 3, which is emotive language, and we already learned about letter A, which is subjectivity and objectivity. Today we are learning about letter B under emotive language, which is fact and opinion. So here are the characteristics of facts and opinions. Most statements reflect facts or opinions. So when we speak, usually it's either we're speaking about facts or opinions. A fact is a definite statement that is unquestionably true. So a fact is something that has proof. A fact is backed up by the truth. It's unquestionably true. So here's an example. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. So that's a fact. You can even go to the internet or even check books, then you'll find out that the Nile is the longest river in Africa. It is a fact.